Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future tech reviews. Today, we're going to take a closer look at IObit Software Updater 8 Pro, a powerful tool designed to keep your PC software always up to date, secure, and running at peak performance. Keeping software updated is crucial, not only for getting the latest features, but also for protecting your system from security vulnerabilities. And this is where IObit Software Updater 8 Pro really shines. With one-click updating, this software automatically scans your system, detects outdated programs, and updates them to the latest versions in seconds. No more manually searching for updates or dealing with annoying pop-ups from different applications. One of the standout features of IObit Software Updater 8 Pro is its huge software database. It supports updates for hundreds of popular programs, including browsers, security tools, media players, and productivity software. This means better compatibility, improved stability, and fewer system crashes. Another great advantage is its safe update technology. Before installing any update, the software creates a restore point, giving you peace of mind in case anything goes wrong. Updates are downloaded from official sources, ensuring they're clean, secure, and malware-free. IObit Software Updater 8 Pro also helps improve system performance by removing outdated software that can slow down your PC. Plus, with its auto-update feature, you can set it and forget it. The software takes care of everything in the background. In short, if you're looking for an easy, reliable, and secure way to keep all your software up to date, IObit Software Updater 8 Pro is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or questions. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, tips, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.